This is the simplest cake that you can ever make in less than 15 minutes. So I just use my spatula to spread the whipped cream on top of my cake, just the way you're seeing now. And I start to just use my piping bag and nozzle to create this flower effect on it. So I actually make it to be two color. It was actually white and blue, just the way you are seeing now. So after just doing it like this, so I went ahead to use just my piping bag to see if I can use it to write, because I see some people normally do it. So but I've not really tried it. I normally use writing nozzle to write whenever I'm piping names and all that on whipped cream or buttercream cake. So my mistake here was I did not even calculate the space. I was just actually writing, and when I got to this point, I know that I have made a big mistake. Like, I did not look at the space, because look at where the happy is. The happy is very, very big, so I just have to just clean it because it's very important. So now I use the same color with a writing nozzle, but the color was not just given. Look at the way the color was dull. I have to clean it again, and I did not still calculate the space. When you are writing on a cake, actually you have to calculate the space, like from this place to this place. Will this place be enough for me to write on? But this one I was just using it to make an illustration. Like, you have to always calculate your space for the space to be enough. So I have to just clean everything, and I added extra blue color to my whipped cream, and now I just calculated the space that okay, it will be fine like this. Let me write happy first, just the way you're seeing now, and this color is very, very bold. So I just write happy, and I see that the space will not be enough, and I came down to write the birthday, and I came down again to write my love. You see, it's very important when you are writing on a cake to always calculate the space that you are working with. If not, the space will not be enough. It will look kind of not beautiful. It will not be fine. So you see, I just calculated it now. You see, everything was enough, and I still have an extra space that I used to put this dot, and I went ahead to just fill in this happy with a heart sign, just like this. So if you are new in this channel and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe. I know that this is not a perfect illustration, but I know it will help. And this cake, I decorated it under 15 minutes. Yes, under 15 minutes. It was really, really fast, and this is the best and the fastest cake you can ever do in under 15 minutes. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.